Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another unboxing, but a new subscription box. Walmart Beauty. I just found out about this back in April, but they only do seasonal boxes, so 4 a year. And so this is our summer box. It just came out for, I think this is technically like the July box. I got it super early, so I'm super excited about this. This box is $5. I'm going to be comparing it to our Target boxes that we quite frequently do. Those are $7. This is $5, so let's open it up. So with our Target boxes, we're usually able to just open it up like a normal box. This one opens like this, like that. And I am going to switch views so you can see what's inside our box, and then we'll talk about it. So when you first open the box, it looks like we have this, and it looks like this is not the summer box, this is our spring box. And we want to hear from you. Cool. Walmart Beauty box. So this is a ton of stuff for $5. Now, if you've watched a couple of my Target boxes, you will see a couple of things that we actually got in a Target box, so that is kind of neat. Again, this is $5. So the first thing we got is this magnesium supplement. It is raspberry lemon flavor from Calm. We have our Hello toothpaste, hemp seed oil and coconut oil. This is actually really good. I've used this from our Target box. This is one of the items for the Target box. Violet Crush for blondes, purple shampoo, John Frieda. This is actually really cool, but as you saw in the beginning, I am not a blonde, but I may keep a hold on this in case I do choose to go blonde here soon. This is the other item from our Target box that we've had previously. I actually still use this toothbrush now, so this is the Hello brush. I believe this brush is actually $5, so it already beats the price for this entire box. Next thing we have is Biore Rose Quartz in Charcoal. This is a daily purifying cleanser. Very nice. Okay, so we've got some Luxe nail set. This holds 30 nails and a nail file, and also some nail glue, so that is great. And these are the colors, but I'll show a better look later. And if you saw my last Target box, you'd see that we did have some nail stuff, but it only had 6. This has 30, so that's pretty great. And I guess this is to talk about some of our products. Like, this is my first time ever getting this box, so we're opening it together for the very first time. So like I mentioned a couple of times now, this box is $5. And so let's count how many things we got. 6 things in a $5 box. And I already know that at least 2 of them are almost $5. For instance, this toothpaste, I'll have to look it up and see exactly how much it is, but I'm pretty sure it's like $3.99, $4.99. I will leave it down here if I am wrong. But this is our Hello toothpaste. It is like a spearmint, a natural fresh spearmint toothpaste. I did get this in, I believe, my second Target box that I opened. I will have that in the description box down below. I'll have all of my boxes if you want to check that out in the description box down below. I also have a playlist, you can check them all out too. But like I said, I've tried this, I really enjoyed it. My kids lost it, actually found it today, surprisingly enough. So this is actually a really good toothpaste. I do enjoy it. This, I believe, like I said, is $5.99. This is a charcoal infused toothbrush, and I believe that the toothbrush itself is bamboo, and then it also has this little grip right here, so you put your thumb and it makes it easier to hold on to. And this is actually the toothbrush that I use personally since I got it in a Target unboxing box. Okay, so this is the brand Calm, Natural Vitality Calm, a magnesium supplement. Let's see. Directions: start by placing 1 packet into a cup or mug, add 2 to 3 ounces of warm water, and drink your fizz. Stir the drink until the powder is completely dissolved. Now experience Calm. And it does come with this little brochure, and it says 5 ways to practice self-care right now. Take a 10-minute walk during your lunch break. Stretch by your desk after writing a long email. Text your best friend to catch up. Plan an easy but delicious dinner for tonight. Take a moment to enjoy natural vitality calm. Of course. So it looks like it comes in a huge container if you were to buy this. And like I said in one of my Target boxes before, these are supposed to be samples so that you get to try them out for super cheap. And if you do end up liking them, you can go buy the bigger item, so you're not wasting a ton of money. So I really enjoy these boxes because, like I said, I enjoy this toothbrush now that I got in one of my Target boxes previously. I use tons and tons of items that I got from my subscription boxes from Target. So that is pretty great. Put that here. So the next thing is this Violet Crush for Blondes Purple Shampoo. It says neutralizes stubborn brassy tones in one use for cooler, brighter blonde with crushed violet pigments. And this is from John Frieda. This is a 2 flow out, so that is pretty big. Let's see. I'll have to look because it doesn't say on here if it is cruelty-free or vegan. Might not be, but it is very purple and it smells pretty good as well. I don't want to put that on my hands. I've seen too many TikToks of people putting purple shampoo and it does dye their hands, so I don't want to do that right now. So next is this Luxe nail set. This is from Salon Perfect. I may do a close-up of those nails just so you can see, but I will open it because it does say it has 30 nails. Not sure if that's 30 fingernails or a mix of nails and toes. So there's our tiny glue. Oh, that's not good. Oh goodness. Let's put those nails back. A nail file. Oh, okay. I was like, where the heck are the rest of the nails? So here are the rest of the nails, and it looks like they're all fingernails, so you could just replace them if something happens to them. And so they had it under this. You can see that there. Okay, we've got those. Let me try to read about them. It does not tell you how long they are supposed to last, but I think these are really cool if you don't want to go get your nails done for an event and you just want to throw on some fake nails real quick. I am not a person that likes very long nails, so I previously did a Dollar Tree video and I had fake nails for the first time and they looked horrible, so I just cut them to my regular nail size and they looked a lot better in my opinion. So that is something I'm going to probably try out. I can't have long nails because I have 2 kids. I don't know how people with acrylic nails or very long nails change diapers, buckle them up in a seat, or put them in a stroller because I had all of them fall off. Okay. The next thing and our last thing is our Biore Love Your Pores Rose Quartz and Charcoal Deep Purifying Cleanser. And this is 1 flow ounce, which seems like not a lot, but if you don't use a ton on your face, it will last a while. And this smells very, very good. This also does not say anything about being vegan or cruelty-free, so I will look that up and you will find it right here if it is vegan or cruelty-free. Okay, I'm gonna package this up and then we will end our video. Okay guys, that is it. A $5 Walmart beauty box. Like I said, just found out that this existed. Apparently it's been around for a very long time. So you're not the only one that didn't know about it. I will show a little clip of how I got this box. I did order this a little while back, but like I said, it is seasonal. So this is supposed to be you know, a fall, a winter, a spring, and a summer box. Apparently they decided to give me a spring box at the last second, so we may be getting a summer one very, very soon. If you would like me to do a up close in comparison of a Target and a Walmart beauty box, let me know. I was thinking about doing it for this one because I do have another Target box on the way, but if that is something that you're interested, please leave it in the comments down below. So if you want a Target versus Walmart beauty box video, let me know. And if you want them to be separate videos, also let me know. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.